आज ये जो petition डॉक्टर मोहम्मद उमर फारूक साहब की तरफ से हाई कोर्ट में दायर की गई थी, उसकी पेशी आज पहली पेशी उसकी आज थी और उसमें हमने लिखा है कि 4 अगस्त 2019 से मौलाना उमर फारूक हाउस अरेस्ट हैं, घर में कन्फाइन हैं। उसके घर के बाहर CRP की नफरी तैनात है और पुलिस भी वहाँ तैनात है, गाड़ियाँ लगी है, उसको बाहर आने की इजाज़त नहीं दी जाती है 4 अगस्त 1919 से आज तक। तो इस मामले में न कोई आर्डर गवर्नमेंट ने किया है और न ही कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन इस बारे में हमको मिली है या डॉक्टर उमर फारूक को मिली है। उसके बरक्स गवर्नर साहब जो लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर हैं यहाँ के, उन्होंने कहा कि वो फ्री मैन है, मौलाना उमर फारूक अरेस्ट नहीं है, वो फ्री मैन है, यू कैन गो एनीवेयर। लेकिन वो हकीकत के बरक्स था। जब उसके स्टेटमेंट के बाद मौलाना डॉक्टर उमर फारूक ने बाहर आने की कोशिश की अपने घर से, तो बाहर पुलिस की तरफ नफरी तैनात थी, पुलिस ऑफिसर्स थे, उन्होंने उसको कहा कि आपको बाहर आने की इजाज़त नहीं है, तो लिहाजा उसको बंद ही रखा, हाउस अरेस्ट रखा। तब से हमने कोशिश की बारह कि अथॉरिटीज़ को हमने कहा कि भाई विदाउट एनी फॉर्मल ऑर्डर, विदाउट कोई हुक्मनामा ही नहीं है जिसके रूह से आप इसको बंद किया है घर में, तो आपने कैसे ये किया? तो कोई खातिर का जवाब नहीं मिला। फिर एक नोटिस, लीगल नोटिस 17/8/2023 को मैंने डॉक्टर उमर फारूक साहब की तरफ से चीफ सेक्रेटरी और DG पुलिस और बाकी SSP कंसर्न और IG के नाम इजरा की, लेकिन उसमें उन्होंने कोई खातिर का जवाब नहीं दिया, कोई जवाब परसों तक नहीं मिला। तो उसके बाद हम मजबूर हो गए कि हमने एक रिट पिटीशन दायर की हाई कोर्ट में। हाई कोर्ट में हमने कहा है कि डॉक्टर उमर फारूक इज़ illegally detained in his home, he is wrongfully confined, there is no any order passed by the authority pursuant to which he has been detained. The CRP personnel and local police is deployed outside his home, and there are also police vehicles. They are not allowing the Umar Farooq to come out of his home. He has so many duties to perform, and he has been, as you know, that he has been tirelessly working for the peace and prosperity of the Jammu and Kashmir for last 32 years. He has been always in search of peace. He has been pursuing the government of India and other side, the government of Pakistan also, that we want peace, we want prosperity. You settle your issues peacefully, amicably, so that we will live a peaceful and prosperous life. So for that he has, and besides that, he is the head of the Awqaf Jamia. He is the head of the Nasratul Islam Trust. He has to perform so many duties, socio-religious duties. And most significant is that he has to deliver sermons on every Friday in Jamia Masjid, which is his religious duty as Mirwaiz of Jammu and Kashmir. He has been prevented by the authorities from discharging that duty. And by not allowing him to go to Jamia Masjid, lakhs of his followers are also deprived of the religious guidance, socio-economical guidance which Dr. Umar Farooq has been propagating for last 32 years. So virtually the institution, the Nasratul Islam, which is also in need of his services as a head of the trust of Nasratul Islam, he, in order to run the schools which are attached to Islamic high schools, Rajuri Kadal, and the school itself, he has to perform his duties. He's not been allowed to conduct the meetings of that trust. So the trust is also suffering. Students are suffering. So for that, we felt it proper to come to the Court of Law and file the writ petition in terms of Article 21 of Constitution of India, which guarantees personal liberty of every citizen. The Constitution article says that freedom of life is available to every citizen. It cannot be taken away unless in due course of law. Freedom of movement is available to every citizen. That cannot be taken away unless in due course of law. But in this case, no due course of law has been followed. No order has been passed by any authority by virtue of which he is detained. In this petition, we have highlighted his position as a Mirwaiz. We have also highlighted his position as a head of as the chairman of Nasrul Islam Trust and as the head of the Muslim Awqaf Jamia Masjid, and Darul Khair is one charitable trust. As the head of that trust, he has to perform so many duties towards the people, and these things have been mentioned in the writ petition, and we have asked for few prayers. The prayer in the writ petition, जो हम हाई कोर्ट से मांगते हैं कि हमें क्या चाहिए, डॉक्टर उमर फारूक को क्या चाहिए इस petition से, तो उसमें यह है कि number 1, that the Honorable Court, High Court may be pleased to issue a writ or order directing the respondents means the state authorities, to release the petitioner from illegal and unauthorized detention, as the petitioner has been detained, house arrested at his Nigin residence since 4th of August 2019. What kind of objections they will file? They will have to come before the court and file the response. Now, everything will be before the court, and that you will come to know with the due passage of time.
Sir, आपने petition जो दायर की है, इसकी hearing कब होगी? कब
इसकी ये जो केस हमने दायर किया है, इसको 4 अक्टूबर के लिए रखा गया है. तब तक उनको ऑब्जेक्शंस फाइल करने हैं. अगर उन्हें फाइल किए होंगे, हमको उनको एडवांस कापी उन्हें हमको देनी पड़ेगी, तो उस हवाले के बाद उसको लेने के बाद हम आर्ग्यू करेंगे मैटर.
कितने होपफुल हैं हम कि मिरवाइज साहब इस केस को जीतेंगे?
और ये तो क्या है, ये just naked violation, aggression to the Article 21 by the authorities. From one side they say that we have not detained him. At the position on spot, you can go and verify it. You are press people, you can go and see that deployment is there, police is there, CRPF is there, vehicles are there outside outside his home. He is not being allowed to come out.
Sir, once he will be free by the court, honorable court, तो अगर 2019 से उनका जो भी loss हुआ है, क्या उसको compensate करने के लिए भी आप कुछ hearing करके जाएंगे?
We have said in this petition that this has been, they have caused huge monetary loss to him. That we have given details. We will give you a copy of the petition, and you will come to know what we have said. We have taken that aspect also in this petition, and also other things we have said. How he has suffered a loss in terms of health, in terms of his livelihood. That is there.